The house yourself, Gupta ji, health wise, work wise.
Basically, I am trying to do something great for the transformation of our country.
Okay.
I am of the view that India is on the wrong track.
Okay.
And right from the beginning, it
Okay.
went into the wrong hand only.
Okay.
Basically, they were having the first priority to
Yeah.
stay in power. And
Sorry?
that is the reason India is still being governed by the same set of the rules which
Okay.
were framed by the Britishers
Yeah, 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 yeah.
for slaves, basically. Even the government of India now enacted 3 laws. It is nothing but the old wine in new bottle.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But I have come
Yes.
up with a strategy that
Okay.
I can transform this
Okay.
nation with the help of the have-nots.
Help of?
With the help of have-nots.
Okay.
लाचार, बेकार, गरीब, जिनको ये लोग जो है कुछ मानते नहीं हैं, जिनको ये दारू बांट के, साड़ी बांट के, पैसे बांट के, जिनको ये वोट को खरीदते हैं, अब उनका समय आ गया है. Basically, now a time has come when these forces should woke up. And unfortunately, our political system is bad. It is basically for itself. Therefore, you have seen, you were in Singrauli, you have seen how the MLAs and MPs, they were minting money and they were working in tandem with the hooligans and criminals.
Correct, correct. I am fully aware. I am aware, and I have the same feeling. You know, whenever we travel in the interior part of India, the real India. So yeah, I hope it will improve.
It will not improve; it will transform. And I have created the model for this transformation.
Okay.
And what we are saying, it is the responsibility of the present day politicians to translate that vision in action.
Okay.
And we are not really bothering them. We are not bothering their intellect. We are not bothering the intellect of their so-called bureaucrats. We are just saying, you enjoy politics. You do whatever the nasty thing you want to do as a politician. We are not saying, okay, we will transform you. No, you continue with whatever the nasty thing you are doing. What is our prayer? Just form 26 task forces, which will be led by me, which will be guided by me, and what we are promising to the government of India, that we will not use your money.
Okay.
Second promise, that we are having the 2 models. It will give 20 times, not 20% more, 20 times more money to the government of India.
Okay.
I mean, those 2 models are there. What we are saying, that we will give you 20 times more money, but we want 2 promises. First promise, that within 5 years, India should be free from all kind of the taxes, because we are giving you 20 times more money. That is good enough for internal security, external security, infrastructure, research, development, education, and everything, right? So, what we are saying, that we will give a transformed India, and technology and models are ready with me. And and these models will be refined with the help of the people. There are lakhs of the people, those who have dedicated their life in various ways, right? We are saying that we will identify these people, we will make them the task force, and they will be used for refining our model. And then the weekly progress will be given to the present day politicians, which they can take the political advantage of it and can mention it in their Man Ki Baat. And if they do that, Eddie, what we are saying, we will give not only 21 transformational model, but we will make every citizen of India not only employed, not only gainfully employed, but we will give them the 5 fundamental rights without any burden on the exchequer of government of India. Those fundamental rights are fundamental right of employment, fundamental right of health, fundamental right to food, fundamental right to education, and fundamental right to prosperity and happiness. So we are guaranteeing even happiness also. And in the process, we are not even spending even a single penny from government of India. Is it not very amazing?
Yeah.
We are not transforming our politician. We are saying that you cannot be transformed, and you don't have any intention to serve people because you are not providing the right kind of the politicians. The politicians are being selected on the wrong ground. They are ruffians, they are criminals, and you don't have the intention to give good politicians to the nation. And moreover, you are distributing liquor, you are distributing all kind of freebies, you are distributing sarees and other things, and in a way you are purchasing vote of poor people.
Yeah.
And it is very unfortunate, despite the fact that you have purchased their vote, you don't represent them.
It's like bribing only.
Yeah, very true, very true.
Guptaji, what I can do is probably if you can share some information about your idea or what you are doing now, I will peacefully